Welcome aboard the stunning Disney Destiny. My name is Taylor and today we'll be exploring a standard inside stateroom and covering everything you need to know to prepare for your next cruise. Before booking, be sure to contact the Vacationeer for exclusive onboard credit on top of what Disney already offers, in addition to exclusive rates, group cruises, and more. Reach out today to see what you're missing and secure the best value in cruising. Now, without further ado, let's dive right in and tour the room. All inside staterooms are equipped with a queen bed topped with a premium plush Eurotop mattress, which sits on an elevated wooden frame with tons of room to tuck your bags or large items away. One side of the bed has a small side table with a Euro plug and USB and USB-C ports built in. The opposite side has two US plugs, two USB-C ports, and the same side table to tuck small items away. Next to the bed, there's a large flat panel TV with a wide variety of free on-demand content, including Disney, Pixar, Marvel, and Star Wars movies, along with Disney Channel, Junior shows, ABC, and ESPN. They also provide ship-specific channels with daily schedules, port adventure previews, a bridge cam view, and guest activity highlights. The TV can be swiveled to aim at the bed or at the couch. The living area includes a large sofa, Pullman-style bed, as well as a large desk area with additional drawers and open storage. Sleeping up to 4 passengers, you would have 2 on the queen bed, 1 on the couch bed, and 1 on the Pullman. Directly across, there's ample storage, a vanity desk with a complimentary hairdryer, a backlit vanity, and several outlets including Euro, 2 US plugs, and 2 USB-C plugs. The desk area also includes multiple drawers and a beverage cooler. The primary storage for the room is located right next to the desk. It features hanging storage, shelves we love to use for packing cubes, and the room safe. Stepping into the bathroom, you'll actually find it's a pretty large size for an inside stateroom. On one side, you'll find a sink, a backlit mirror, some open storage up top, as well as some storage down below to tuck things away. And up in the right corner, you will find a US plug. On the other side, you'll find the shower tub combo with an adjustable shower wand. And overall, this just is a pretty big size compared to other brands' inside staterooms. And mounted to the bathroom door on the outside, you will find a full-length mirror for getting ready. Although these inside staterooms don't have a window and don't have a step-out veranda, they can offer a ton of value for those who are trying to get onto a cruise at a lower cost. And as we all know, the stateroom is just one part of the onboard experience. With a variety of included entertainment, specialty restaurants, and upgrades, there's something for everyone. And to help you get more from your cruise, the Vacationeer offers exclusive onboard credit deals that you won't find when booking directly with the cruise line. Contact the Vacationeer today to get the best value in cruising.